Hey friends, welcome back to the channel again. So, today we are going to talk about CoinMarketCap. In my very first video of the channel, we had an overview of CoinMarketCap that it updates about the activities and happenings and positive and negatives of the crypto market that are going on at the moment. So today we will go up in a little bit of detail of CoinMarketCap and what we can do on CoinMarketCap. I cannot cover everything in one video, but I will try to explain the maximum as I can. If you look at this, the first page, we can get the knowledge about current market stats. There are 526 exchanges working worldwide, 21,160 cryptos already available. Global crypto market cap is 0.94 trillion. You mean 940 billion. 24-hour volume is 58 billion. Okay, and BTC is 39.5% dominant and Ethereum is 17.3%. Is the current states. Here you can see one more thing. Independent of exchanges, if you go to an exchange like Binance or whatever, you will get coin ratings according to that exchange, that which one is trading at the most, which one is at the high ranking, whatever it is. But if you come to CoinMarketCap, you will get an overall overview of what's happening in the market. These are quick news. I'm not going to go for that. These are the top rankings of the cryptocurrencies. You can find categories. Which category do you want to explore? We have different categories: transport, kinetic capital, portfolio, launchpad, education, communication, blah blah blah. A lot of things are here. Coming to the next portion, you can find decentralized finance apps differently. You can find NFTs on a separate basis. You can find metaverse related coins. You can find Polkadot. It is separate from others. BNB chain, Solana chain, Avalanche, and all of them. You can find everything here. Okay, you can find exchanges here. How many exchanges are, which exchanges are available, and what are the top rated. Here you find Binance, FTX, Coinbase, Kraken, Gate.io, KuCoin, Binance US, Bitfinex, Maxi, Huobi Global, Gemini, FTX US, Bitstamp, CoinCheck, Bybit, blah 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 blah. And we're not going for this now. Later on in another video, I will be talking about all these exchanges, at least about top 5 and their detail. But this was here we can differentiate them as a spot and derivatives. In spot, the ranking is same, I think, but now we should go for derivatives. Which currencies, which exchanges are in top? In derivatives, Binance is on number 1, FTX, and then comes OKX, and then KuCoin, Huobi Global, Bybit at number 6, Gate.io, Maxi, Deribit. Where the hell is Coinbase? Where's Coinbase? So, very minimum future trades on Coinbase, or none at all, maybe. Going forward, we have communities, we have products, free airdrops, ICO calendar. This is something important. You can check for it. Converter, referral program, etc. And you can also search your coin here. Whatever you want to search. I'm gonna search T-Grain, but it's not available here. Oh, yes, it is. Okay, it's on DexScan actually. Well, it is here. You can find whatever the hell you want. Everything is available. T-Grain is also on I think DGRN, WBNBT, liquidity 7k. It's on, I think, Uniswap and CoinGecko. Yeah, Uniswap and CoinGecko, 2 places where it's available already. In Ethereum pair, you can find all of them here. Cryptocurrencies have categories, ranking, recently added, spotlight, gainers and losers. You can go for gainers and losers in overall market. Top gainers, reverse trade, staller. They're not very much plus. It means no significant movement. PancakeSwap, Cake, Solana, Nexo, Celsius. There's a lot here. So you can check for everything here, and how we can analysis is up to you. I can only tell you how to figure out things and how to come up with something. Sorry. So this was all for today's video. We will be right back with another video. Goodbye, take care.